In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to add objects into an image. Now, the phone I'm going to be using is the Galaxy S25 Ultra, but you can use any phone at all to add images into a picture. So what are we going to do now? And please note, this video is for educational purposes only. Now, you're going to open your Chrome browser and then you're going to go into this site. It's called Fort AI. When you go into Fort AI, you're going to sign up with your Google account. So once you reach the sign up page, you're going to click on your Google account and it's going to take you to the next page. Now I have signed up and now I can use Fort AI. To add anything into an image, this is what you're going to do. Click on these three buttons. Then you're going to click on All Tools. Then you're going to click on Image Manipulation. Then you're going to click on Generative Fill. So once you reach the Generative Fill page, it's going to look like this. Now let me drop my phone so you guys can have a clearer view of this. So what you're going to do now is this. You're going to click on this Upload Images button. You're going to select your image that you want to edit. And once you select your image, you're going to wait for it to load up your image. As you can see, it is uploading my image. So this is the image. How do we add objects to the image? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to swipe on where I want to add objects. So let's just say this blank space. I'm just going to swipe around here. Okay, I'm just going to keep swiping. I want everywhere to be filled with cats. So I'm just going to say cats. Okay, I want to fill up this whole space with cats. So I'm just going to swipe around here and I'm going to scroll down gently. And when I scroll down, you can see what I can see. Write prompt. I'm going to click on write prompt and I'm going to say something. So let's just say cat and dog, and I'm going to click on generate. So once I click on generate, it's going to process the image, and at these spaces here, it's going to add cats and a dog. It's going to take it approximately 22 seconds to add a cat and a dog into the image. So let's wait for it. And don't forget, if you're enjoying this video, support the channel by subscribing, liking, and comment where you're watching from. So let's wait for it to load up so you guys can see the clean work it has just done right now. It's not perfect, but you can see there is definitely a dog showing here. Okay, let me carry my phone higher. You can see there's a dog. There's a dog up here. So in order to save the image, you're just going to click on download. You're going to click on download here. So it's going to save the image into your smartphone. Then you're going to click on open. And you can see the dog. Right, you can see the dog. This dog was not here before. You can see there was nothing there. You can see there's a dog. You can add anything. And you can remove this watermark too. You can crop it, I don't know, or make payments to them. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment where you're watching from. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.